Good afternoon everyone. So I'll be performing the hand washing. So first we need to inspect the breath-in skin and cuticles and react it appropriately if we any found lesion. So and secondly inspected the hands for visible swelling. Then thirdly is remove our jewelry accessories for performing the eight ways of hand washing. Now we need to organize the supplies, which is we have a hand soap and a paper towel. Then and stood in the front of the sink and keep hands and uniform away from the sink. So now turn on the faucet slowly. Then wet our hands. So I'll be using a hand bar soap. Now we need to perform a 8 ways hand washing. So we have 8 ways of hand washing. We have palm to palm, between fingers, back of the hands, base thumbs, back of the fingers, fingernails, wrist, and the most important is raise our hands with proper and use the mechanical wrapping. Now we need to use a paper towel to dry our hands properly. This is it. Then we need to use another paper towel to turn off the faucet. So now our hands are safe.